with the help of V-block, marking block and steel rule.
Hi, my name is Deepthi. V-blocks, also known as holder blocks, are simple and effective tools that can make your machining task a whole lot easier. They are basically just two clamps joined by a block of solid material with some kind of tapered slot in the middle to accommodate round stock. The stock is inserted into the slot and held tightly with the help of jaws while it's being machined. Because they are so simple and cheap, V-blocks are most efficient equipments to have on hand for all kinds of round stock machine operations. They are especially handy when you need to hold small pieces that won't fit in a chuck or collet, and they are great for holding round bar stock while turning, milling and grinding. A steel rule in fitter is a measuring tool that is commonly used in the fitting and machining industry. It is a flat, narrow and flexible ruler made from steel that is usually 6 inches or 12 inches in length. Steel rules are used to take accurate measurements of various objects and components such as lengths, diameters and depths. In addition to being used as a measuring tool, steel rules can also be used as straight edges for drawing or marking lines on workpieces. They can also be used to check for flatness and parallelism of surfaces. Today, we are going to learn about how to saw along a straight line, curved line, and different sections of metal.
At the end of this demonstration, you will be able to note: select appropriate sizes of V-block to hold round bar or cylindrical job. Find the center of round bar using V-block, marking block, and steel rule. Tools required: V-block, steel rule, U-clamp, center punch, tri-square, marking block, materials required: raw material, oil.
Before starting job, there are some preliminary checks to be made. Those are as follows. File all the faces of the round bar. Examine the surface of the round bar for any imperfections such as nicks, dents or corrosion. These surface defects can affect the accuracy of your work. Filing the faces of the round bar is a critical step to ensure that it sits securely and squarely in the V-block. Remove the burrs present on the raw material. Examine the round bar for any sharp edges or raised metal filaments. Use appropriate deburring tools such as deburring knife, file or abrasive paper to remove the burrs. Remove burrs using the file. Inspect the workpiece to ensure that all burrs are removed and the edges are smooth. Pay attention to the corners and any irregularities that may require extra attention.
Once we are done with the filing process, then we have to proceed further.
File the faces of the round bar. Apply marking media on a face of round bar. It is an important step in the preparation process before working with it using a V-block. This step helps to enhance accuracy, identification, and alignment during various machining and fabrication processes.
Clean marking table, V-block, marking block, and steel rule. Place V-block, marking block and steel rule on marking table. Set the round bar on V block and clamp it with U-clamp. Place the marking block scriber on top of the round bar and read measurement of steel rule. Measure the height of round bar using steel rule. Set the measurement in marking block using steel rule lesser than 10 mm from the top of the round bar reading. Scribe line AB on face of round bar using marking block. Loosen the U-clamp. Rotate and set the job to 90 degree using tri-square and tighten the U-clamp and scribe line BC. Repeat the same procedure to scribe lines CD and AD. Loosen the U-clamp and take out the round bar outside and keep it on marking table. Join the coordinate points AC and BD using steel rule and scriber. Punch on the intersecting point O using center punch 90 degree. Point O is the center of round bar. Preserve it for evaluation.
Note: always wear appropriate personal protective equipment (PPE) when working with V blocks, including safety glasses and gloves. Be cautious when handling heavy workpieces to prevent accidents and injuries.
Let's have a recap of what we have learned today. We have learned to select appropriate sizes of V block to hold round bar or cylindrical jobs. Find the center of round bar using V block, marking block and steel rule. Thus, we have learned how to find center of round bar with the help of V block, marking block and steel rule. Hope you have a clear understanding on this. Do this exercise with the help of your instructor.